Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. And if you can't tell, we're in the living room, so you know what that means. We're going to review some toys. To be exact, we're going to review some Barbie items that I purchased over the past couple of days. And then today, I went to a uniform store because I work at a hospital, so I was getting uniforms for work. And they had a Dollar General, and I ended up with this. So let's go ahead and get into all the Barbie items I have collected over the past week or so. So first thing I got, I'm gonna start with what I got from the dollar store. So from the dollar store, I got this Barbie right here. I have been obsessed with this dress on Instagram, and I haven't seen this dress at Walmart or anything like that. And I love this doll's face. She has a very pretty face. I do want to put her on a made to move body, so it's a win-win. So I love when I get a doll that I love her outfit to use for all my dolls. And I love the face screen for the doll because then the doll doesn't go to waste. So I definitely love her. Let me get her open so you guys can get a closer look. This is the doll out of the box. I love her shoes. You guys check out the style of the shoes. This is my first time getting the style of shoes, so I like that. It's a different style of shoes for my dolls. And look at the dress. The dress has a heart, kind of imitating a cheetah print with different blues, like a light and like a turquoise teal blue. And it says Barbie all the way around the dress. And her hair touches mid back right here, and she has some really nice brown mixed with black hair. And you guys, look at her face. She's a very pretty face mold. I really love it a lot. There's no pixelation, and I got her for $6. And I went to Dollar General, by the way, if you're wondering what dollar store I went to. And I absolutely love this doll. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation. Articulation in the arm going up, going back, her hip going to the side and around and front and to the back. So all in all, absolutely in love with her, and I can't wait to give her a made to move body, and I cannot wait to style this doll and to use this dress because it's so cute. So let's get into the next thing that I found at Dollar General. The next thing I found in Dollar General is the Barbie foosball table. Guys, when I tell you, I couldn't believe I found this in Dollar General, and it was $12 because I've been looking at this on Amazon, and they were selling this with the, I think the little pet beds and also a grill. And I didn't want to buy all three. I just wanted the foosball table. So when I saw this today, I was like, this is a score, and absolutely love it. And let's go ahead and assemble it so we can see what it's looking like. This is how it's supposed to be set up. It's supposed to be to where it hits the doll at waist length, which is perfect for them to play foosball. And it comes with 3 foosballs, a popcorn, a chip, looks like a dog. Barbie cannot go out her dog, and 2 drinks. So let's go ahead and open it up. Also, before we open it up, the assembly does show it. And so the foosball table is assembled. It came with 3 foosball balls, which I think I'm gonna put right here in the corner. It also came with this, it looks like a bag of pretzels, if you guys see that very well. I can't tell if it's like a curly type of chips or pretzels. Let me know in the comments down below what you think it is in there, because I'm confused, but it's okay. It's a snack regardless, which the dolls can have while they play foosball. There's 2 drinks, one like a water. This one looks like an orange juice, to be honest with you, but it could just be a water bottle that's orange. And then the popcorn right here with the bee. I'll probably paint the bee because I like to paint the details in Barbie stuff. But I love the color of this foosball table because it's pink and blue, and the details on the inside are amazing. And I love how it has the actual field, and you can actually play, and it's really cool. Look at that. You can actually play like the dolls are playing. And you guys know I love to do my reels, so reel coming soon. And then I love how it says Barbie on the corner, and I love how the legs are like wood color legs, and I like the finish around the sides of the table. It looks really nice as well. Very well executed. The dog looks a little scary, but it won't be Barbie without a dog. So yeah, so I absolutely love it. There's an extra peg right here, I guess, if you have anything else, because most of the stuff that comes with Barbie has pegs. So I like that they add an extra peg just in case you want to add an extra accessory to what you're doing with every Barbie product. When you turn the table around, it's the exact same on the opposite side, just in case you guys were wondering. So let's move on to the next Barbie product. So that's everything I got from the dollar store. Next thing I got off of eBay is this Barbie backpack. I think it's so adorable and cute. I absolutely love it. I got it from a place called Accessory Innovation, and it looks like it was a collab with Barbie. And I think this bag is perfect for when I do photography, because I'm gonna start doing some more outdoor photography like I used to, because I love photographing my dolls outside. And this will be a perfect size to put the dolls and to put their accessories and carry it on my back. This is a child size bag, but I don't care because the strap's long enough. I'm 5'1" and it works for me. So it's super cute and I really love it. So let's move on to the next item that I got for Barbie. So as you guys know, I've been obsessed with making doll clothes. I've been making so many doll tutorials because I'm so happy that I'm actually making Barbie clothes. You guys understand, I've been wanting to make doll clothes since I was a little girl. So that's why now that I actually can do it and I'm learning it as I go every day, I'm just popping out different things and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So from Amazon, I got a package. So let me show you guys what's inside. So I got this bundle of Barbie fabrics and I'm so excited to work with this. It's some fat quarters of Barbie fabric. So it's 15 pieces and it's 18 by 21 inches when it's open. I don't want to open it quite yet, but I will link it down below so you guys can see the fabric on Amazon. And I'm so happy to have this. I have had this in my cart for so long, and when it said that it only had 6 left in stock, I had to jump on it. And it's from the brand Riley Blake Design. I guess it's like a collab with Barbie, and I absolutely love it. Even if you don't make doll clothes, you can use it to make pillows. Like I'm planning to do like a Barbie core type of bedding for my doll, so I'm excited to do that. And I can't wait to use this and make some fun doll clothes for you guys to see. So let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite Barbie item and what Barbie items you recently bought and which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.